To generate a public domain license, I'm first going to find an image that is in the public domain by going under Use and Remix, and then search the Commons. And I'll once again search for a flower. And this time I'm going to look under Flickr, and I can, on the upper left here, choose the kind of license. I'm looking for one that has no known copyright restrictions. So I'm going to pick one of these now. And as I look underneath, sure enough, it says it's in the public domain. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the name of the person who created this image and go back to Creative Commons and click on Share Your Work. And here I'm not looking for a Creative Commons license, but rather a public domain. So I'm clicking on Public Domain, and I want to go to the public domain mark, because I'm not saying that this is mine that I'm putting in the public domain, but I'm going to the public domain mark to use this tool. Labeling works that are free of known copyright restrictions. That is exactly what I want. So I'm going to begin. And there's really less to put. The work's name, let me see, I have to remember what that name was. It was Flowers. So going back, I type in Flowers, and I copy the name of the person. So I'm going to paste, whoops, that's not what I wanted. That's not the name of the person. So I'm going to take that away and go back to my public domain image, and his name was Kim Seaver. So make sure I copy that this time. Go back to my public domain mark and paste it in. And then I do need his URL. So once again, going back to the picture and copying the URL, returning to my public domain mark and pasting that in. I do not have to identify myself or put my name in here as identifying. I can just simply go on with continue. And here I have my public domain mark. If we're going to put this into a print document, I would simply copy and paste this into it. If I wanted to embed it in a web page, I would copy this code and then go back and paste that into my blog or website in the HTML view.